Point of sale, POS, refers to the location or system where a customer makes a payment for goods or services at a retail store or restaurant. POS systems are electronic devices that enable businesses to process sales transactions, accept various forms of payment, and generate sales reports. The primary function of a POS system is to streamline the payment process and help businesses manage their inventory and sales data. POS systems can range from a simple cash register to a complex system that includes features such as barcode scanning, customer management, and analytics. POS systems have become an essential tool for businesses of all sizes as they provide insights into the customer behavior and help businesses make informed decisions to grow their sales. A retail store POS, point of sale system, is a specialized software designed for use in retail stores, both large and small. It helps store owners and managers manage daily operations, process transactions, and manage inventory. A typical retail store POS system includes a computer, a cash drawer, a receipt printer, and a card reader. Some key features of a retail store POS system include inventory management, sales reporting, customer management, and payment processing. Inventory management features enable store owners to track inventory levels, receive alerts when inventory is low, and generate reports on product sales and profitability. Sales reporting features allow store owners to track sales data, identify trends, and make informed decisions about their product mix. Customer management features help store staff keep track of customer preferences, purchase history, and contact information. Payment processing features enable staff to process payments, accept various payment methods, and issue refunds. Try I2H point-of-sale retail store software for retail store, grocery store, hardware store, CBD store, liquor store. A restaurant POS, point-of-sale system, is a specialized type of POS software designed for use in restaurants, cafes, and other food service establishments. It helps restaurant owners and managers process orders and payments, manage inventory, and track sales data. A typical restaurant POS system includes a touchscreen device for order entry, a printer for kitchen tickets, a cash drawer for cash transactions, and a card reader for credit and debit card payments. Some key features of a restaurant POS system include menu management, table management, order management, and inventory management. Menu management allows restaurant staff to easily modify menu items and prices, add or remove items, and make changes to descriptions or ingredients. Table management enables staff to track table status, assign orders to tables, and split checks among customers. Order management features enable staff to process orders quickly, make modifications or substitutions, and send orders to the kitchen for preparation. Inventory management features allow restaurant owners to track inventory levels, receive alerts when inventory is low, and generate reports on menu item popularity and profitability. Overall, a restaurant POS system helps streamline operations, improve order accuracy, and increase efficiency, making it an essential tool for any restaurant looking to improve its bottom line. Try I2H point-of-sale restaurant software.
A repair store POS, point-of-sale system, is a specialized software designed for use in repair shops, both small and large. It helps repair shop owners and managers manage their daily operations, process transactions, and manage inventory. A typical repair store POS system includes a computer, a cash drawer, a receipt printer, and a card reader. Some key features of a repair store POS system include appointment scheduling, customer management, inventory management, and payment processing. Appointment scheduling features allow repair shop staff to schedule appointments, manage customer preferences, and set up reminders for upcoming appointments. Customer management features help repair shops keep track of customer preferences, purchase history, and contact information. Inventory management features enable repair shop owners to track inventory levels, receive alerts when inventory is low, and generate reports on product sales and profitability. Payment processing features enable staff to process payments, accept various payment methods, and issue refunds. Try I2H point-of-sale repair store software.